Leetcode Weekly Context 489. Question number 1. Toggle LED boards. This is an easy problem. The key point for this one is how do we check after a number of operations if a light is on or off. An easy way to check this is to see if the number of operation is a even number or a odd number. Say if it is an even number, then obviously it will be off at last. Otherwise, it will be on. So the solution will be based on this. We can do a dict to count the frequency of each numbers. In this case, say 10 twice, 20, 1, 30, 1. Only this one is a even number. We just get rid of this number, and we got 20 and 30 left. That's the answer. We're gonna return. That's the approach. We're gonna solve this problem.